He was a musician, and he went from having long rock and roll hair, curly down to here, to hardly any hair at all. Hey, all my hair comrades, Rick here. What would you give to be able to say this? It was life-changing. Maybe your added question would be, well, in what way would it change my life? All right, let me give you some testimonials. I had 2 clients last week that came in for the works. They did the whole situation from start to finish. One guy had been very discouraged. He'd had some health issues, and he was not that old, and these issues had caused him to have a complete kind of life change kind of moment. And to be able to relate to you what I saw on this man's face, the transformation that happened, you know, for privacy's sake, I can't show you before and afters. I can't, you know, do anything like that. But I can tell you this, words like transforming, life changing. I saw a man come in that sat down and shut his eyes and wouldn't open them until the process was over. To him walking out with more confidence than the law allows, in a moment and in a time when he thought that it couldn't be possible. It was literally amazing. But it's not from the physical perspective alone. It was emotional. And you know my story, many of you, how I did this the first time for a joke. It was like, I wasn't even serious about it. And then it turns out like this to be, holy moly. And so I saw this client come in, just kind of sitting down like this, to all of a sudden sitting up with his chest out, leaving with all this crazy confidence that happened just like that, because he finally had given back to him what had been stolen from him. And that's the beauty of this, because none of us wake up in the morning on one particular day and go, oh yes, I think I'm losing my hair. Great. And celebrate that. Now, a lot of times after we lose it, we want to be all macho and say, well, I'm fine. I don't have, you know. And if that's you, that's fine. I'm not judging you in that at all. I'm just saying, down deep in the heart, there's not a one of us that wouldn't want to have hair back on our heads. So life-changing, transforming, giving confidence, making you the person that when you enter a room, you enter a room. You own the room. I have seen that, and I can give testimonials time after time after time. So what would you give to be able to feel that again, to embrace that, and to enjoy, whether we want to admit it or not, having someone say, Dave, man, you look great. How much would you pay to say it transformed my life? It'll be extremely affordable, ridiculously affordable, to tell you the truth. Superhairpieces. Do you know the effect you're having? This is a really great system, by the way. HD111/curly. Do you know the tools you have given me to touch so many lives, to change so many lives, and to take people who have been discouraged and depressed and given them new hope and new life, new confidence? I just want to be the voice of encouragement that says, if you could see what I see happening in this studio when guys come in and how different they are when they leave, you would sign up this very second. Let's do this. Let's have a great time doing it. I want to touch your life so you can touch other people's lives. And I want to walk down that same road with you and express love to you and care for you and concern for you. And that sounds dramatic to say, but let me get up close to you and say this. I am not kidding.